Hello traders, today is Wednesday, May 16th. We're going to talk about the Dow Jones and what happened today with all-time highs and explain to you what I think is going to occur next, and that way you can be better prepared as we move forward in May. So before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. So I'm looking at the Dow Jones. This is the cash value of the Dow Jones, and you can see that it made an all-time high and crossed the 40,000 mark, which is a big deal. So one thing we need to be aware of is that these numbers are emotionally targeted, whole numbers, even numbers, 40,000, 50,000. When you think about that, it usually makes a bigger impact on the market and how people perceive the markets in general. So that's one thing to be aware of. This is a whole number, even number. I think it's a big deal just in that fact. But more importantly, if you take a look at the cash, and you can see that the market is pulling off and coming down here after hours, this is considered a double top to a certain degree. So if you heard the term double top or double bottom, this is considered a double top, and now we're coming off of it. What I think is important to understand, if you look at the futures market, so we focus more on the futures, we're going to use the YM. The YM did not make the all-time high, the double top. Now really what that means is that it could still reach that, right? So we can still hit here in the futures markets the double top, and that would really solidify that this is a true double top as we move forward into May, into June. Or it could mean that what you just saw for today is the high, and the market, this being divergence, is going to now come crashing down. Now I don't know how far and what that means, crashing down, but we may see a significant pullback as we move forward into the elections. So I just want to make everyone aware of the Dow Jones making on the cash, the indices, an all-time high, and then now pulling off of it. But the futures market did not. The futures market did not make, as you can see here, this is the futures market, did not make an all-time high, number one. And number two, it didn't even surpass and make a double top. So I believe that what we're going to see is the market come down before it comes back up. So I'm anticipating a type of pullback, and then another opportunity, a leg. Could it be in a few months? Maybe towards the end of the year? Yes, but we're going to have another opportunity to buy it. I would not jump in just right now and buy the Dow Jones or the E-mini S&P or the S&P 500 just because we have all-time highs. We may get a pullback first. So let's take a look at some software. So I'll just use the Dow Jones. I'll put up a 5-minute chart, and we'll take a look at a few things. So when I look at day trading, for example, we have to see what's available to us as day traders. So do we have any long positions today that could have helped us? So right in the beginning of the day, we have the at the open method, which is one of the primary price action based methods that we started off teaching at Daytradetowin, where it's a breakout as soon as the market opens in the beginning of the day in the morning, to kind of give us an opportunity with all that excitement to get in just as the day begins. So it's called an opening range breakout method. And these are the signals provided by the at the open method, which indicated to go long. So this is the Dow Jones futures. Now, in addition to that, if I look at something else, maybe the Atlas line as an example. So I take a look here at the Atlas line from Daytradetowin, another very popular software. We can take a look to see if we had, and that's the yellow dashed lines or triangles that you see there. We can also see that the crossed the Atlas line and provided another opportunity to go long. So when I think about combining the methods, I think about, do we have the Atlas line? Do we have the trade scalper? Do we have the roadmap, the blueprint, the at the open, as an example, all indicating at the same time to go long. And this is the same whether it be the E-mini S&P or the Dow Jones or the NASDAQ. We see very similarly the same signals to go long or to go short at around the same opportunities in the same times. Even add here the trade scalper, which really should be on a 1 minute chart, but I'll add here the trade scalper as well to see if we have, we do have a lot of long signals here. So the double wick here, the long here, and another long. So I'll remove the at the open, I'll remove the Atlas line. These are the trade scalper signals right as the day began to go long. All right. If you have any questions, visit Daytradetowin.com. Get a free member account if you don't have one already. We have some free software available for NinjaTrader as well as for TradingView, the ABC indicator for TradingView and NinjaTrader, and the news indicator for NinjaTrader. Until next time, good trading. If you want to learn more on how we trade price action, check out the next video coming up. Subscribe and like these videos, and sign up for a free member account at Daytradetowin.com.